Alright, so I'm at this church and I just found these 3 units. This is Kia Comfort. It's running in cool mode. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, I believe. It's new, it's from 2022, I think the 32nd week of 2022, and it's a 4-ton. That's some cold. And then here's this one. Let me get that out of there. She looks a little older. It's got a Copeland scroll. No, same. It's just dirty. 2022 4-ton. It's also been 99 cents. Here's the package unit. What brand is this? Kia, yeah. Trying to find the logo for it, but I don't think it's there. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Not the best at being data on package units. Oh, here we go. Oh, not Kia, just shut off. 38,000 BTU from 2007. I think it's a 3-ton from 2007. Yeah, it's Kia, just shut off. Yep, cool, it's cool. Alright, so yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.